Peach gum anti-aging collagen boosting dessert。講今日整乜嘢咧？
我哋今日咧整個桃膠糖水。
桃膠糖水 peach gum dessert。
嗱，我哋嘅呢度咧浸咗2日，第3日噶啦，呢個就浸咁多。
Okay。
呢度我哋就用咁少嘅啫。
Okay, so it's actually this much that you need.
浸3日。
3 days, it becomes this much.
咁佢有時咧就有啲咁嘅嘢雜質撈嘅，就揀晒出嚟。
Okay。
即係有啲好似啲樹啊嗰啲咁嘅雜質，佢有時有少少嘅，咁樣咧，嗱揀出嚟。
Okay, since this is from the peach tree, so you get some gunk that comes out of the tree, so you kind of have to get some stuff out. So this like this stuff that comes out of it, so you have to kind of dig through it.
呢啲咧就冰糖，嗰啲係 rock sugar。
Rock sugar, you need about this much, but if you want a little bit sweeter or a little less sweet, that's up to you.
即係甜度咧就自己去因啦。咁咧你整好呢啲咧，你配任何糖水都好食嘅。我哋煲滾啲水，咁啊落啲冰糖。
This is how much water we're using. You can use more or less.
你隨便你要幾多陣間呢度都好多噶啦。咁我哋隔咗啲水咁啊擺佢落去。
Okay. I'm just going to dump that water out first. So when he soaks that
你睇幾多？喺呢度啊，呢度啊。你攞咁少少出嚟就浸好多㗎。
Okay. So when he soaks this for about 3 days, you change the water. You change the water once a day. Okay.
咁我哋咧
每日換水㗎。
係。
You see how much you get out of that little thing?
幾多
？Okay, so we're only gonna do this, make it simple, and do this with rock sugar as a dessert. But you can put this with any. We can put goji berries. You can put coconut milk with this also. It's up to you. So peach gum is considered a Chinese traditional medicine to boost collagen and improve skin health. It offers antioxidant. It lowers blood sugar, strengthens immunity, aids gut health, heart health, and collagen boosting. So it has a lot of health benefits. And they said it's an alternative for bird's nest, and it's like a fraction of the price. So it's really good.
咁我哋係幾分鐘啊，得噶啦。
要滾幾分鐘？
係，依家未滾啊。
Okay. So you only need to boil for a few minutes.
咁啊，搞掂噶啦。
Okay.
我哋煲好啦，幾分鐘啦。咁啦，一係咁樣啊，睇到好多噶啦，你睇。係咁啦。So we are done, and this costs less than $15.